In this video, I will show you how to install Netbeans IDE from the zip file and to create a new Java project. So let's type Netbeans. Now let's go to this link. So this is the latest version of Netbeans. So let's click on this button. And here let's download the zip file. So here let's click on this link. And here we can save this zip file on the computer, but in my case I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel this download and I will use the zip file that I have downloaded, which is this one. So before installing Netbeans, it is necessary to check that you have installed the Java JDK on your machine. So to check the JDK, let's open the command prompt. And in this window I have just to type the following command, java --version. And as you can see, I have this version of the JDK. So to install Netbeans, let's extract this zip file. So I will extract it on the folder of the user of this computer. So I will remove all of this from the path. Then let's click OK. Now let's go to the location where the zip file has been extracted. So it has been extracted on the folder of the user of this computer, into a folder called Netbeans. So let's open it and let's open the bin folder, and here let's create a shortcut of this executable file on the desktop. So this is the executable file that allows us to start Netbeans. Now let's close this folder and let's use this shortcut to start Netbeans. In this window, let's close this welcome page and let's create a new project. So let's click on this button. So to create a new project, we have several options, either to use Maven or Gradle or Ain't. So the easiest way is to use Ain't. That's why I will select Ain't. Then let's select Java application and now let's click on next. So this is the first time I use Netbeans. That's why this window is empty for the moment, and after a few seconds it will be completed. And as you can see, now I can click on activate to activate the new functionality. So let's click on activate. So let's create a new project that I will call Welcome Netbeans. So it will be created at this location, and I will not create the main class now, I will create it later. So let's uncheck this box. Now let's click on finish. Now the new project has been created, but it is empty. So let's create a new Java class. So let's click on this button and let's select Java, then Java class. Now let's click next. So for this class, I will just call it main class. Now let's click on finish. And here let's add the main method. And also let's print some text. So let's write hello Netbeans. Now let's save this file and let's run it. So this is the output, which means that I executed this class correctly. Now we can create a new frame using window builder. So let's click on new file. And here let's select swing GUI forms. Now let's select gframe form and let's click on next. So this is the name of the class. I will call it mainframe and I will create it outside of any package. Now let's click on finish. So first let's add a label. So the label should be here. So this is it. So let's increase the width and let's modify the text. So I have to find the text property in this area. And here I will modify the text to write title. Now let's add a text field. So the text field should be here. This is it. I will drag and drop it. And let's increase the width. So for the text of this text field, I want it to be empty because it will be filled by the user. And also I will modify the object name of this text field. So I have to go to code. And here this is the variable name. I will call it TF for text field title. Now let's add a button. So I have to find the button in this list. This is the button. I will just add it here. And for the text, I will write OK. So I have to go to properties, then to find the text property, and let's write OK. So I can put it in the middle. And to add a listener, I have just to make double click. So what I write here will be executed when I click on the button. So what I want to do is to read the text of the text field and to set it as the title of this window. So let's do this. Now let's save this class and let's run it. And as you can see, this is the obtained window. If I write a text, let's say for example, hello Netbeans, then if I click on OK, the text will be displayed just here. And if I click on this close button, the application will be stopped. Also, it is possible to modify the look and feel of this window. So to modify the look and feel, I have to go to the main method and to expand this node. And here we can see that the current look and feel is Nimbus. So to modify it, I can remove all of this. Let's remove this. Now let's save this class and let's run it again. And this time, this is the look and feel of this window. Finally, thank you very much for watching and please subscribe to the channel.